Most developers build security the hard way. This week's top repo automates the entire penetration test in Python. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today. The GitHub Trending page is absolutely exploding right now with AI agent frameworks that actually work. I've sorted through the noise to find the gems that are going to save you thousands in token costs and hours of manual labor. Let's get into it. First up is Strix. It's an open source AI penetration testing tool that actually finds and fixes vulnerabilities in your app while you sleep. It's blowing up with over 1,200 stars today because it uses autonomous agents to perform red teaming and offensive security tasks. This isn't just a scanner. The wild part? It doesn't just surface the bugs. It actually suggests the code fixes to close those security holes across your entire stack. With over 30,000 total stars, it's becoming the industry standard for AI security automation. You can run it on your own infrastructure right now. If you're worried about LM security or general web vulnerabilities, this is your new best friend. It's basically a senior security engineer in a container. Next is Caveman. This one is genuinely hilarious, but also incredibly practical. It's a skill for Claude code that makes the AI talk like a caveman. Why? Because it cuts your output tokens by 75% while keeping full technical accuracy. Why use many token when few do trick? The project is trending with nearly 800 stars today. It works with Cursor, Windows Surf, and even GitHub Copilot. It's a massive money saver for heavy users. Honestly, watching Claude give complex architectural advice in broken English is a vibe. It's proof that prompt engineering is nowhere near finished yet. If your API bill is getting out of hand, give this a shot. It's a clever way to optimize LLM performance without losing the actual logic. Then we have agency agents. Imagine having a full marketing and dev agency living inside your terminal. That's exactly what this repo provides for you. It includes specialized experts like front-end wizards and Reddit community ninjas. It's pulling in over 2,000 stars today, which is absolutely massive growth. What's the catch? There isn't one. It's a collection of refined system prompts and processes that give these agents actual personalities and proven deliverables. They just released a native app for macOS and Linux that lets you install these agents into Claude Code with a single click. No more manual setup. If you're a solo founder trying to do everything at once, this will change your life. It's like expanding your team for $0 an hour. If you're building a fitness app, listen up. The exercises-dataset repo just dropped a massive collection of 433 fitness exercises. It covers everything from target muscles to equipment and instructions in 6 different languages. It's getting over 2,000 stars today as developers flock to it. The cool part? It includes a developer setup wizard to scaffold your backend and DB schema automatically based on the JSON data provided. Just a heads up that media isn't included due to licensing, but the metadata alone is a goldmine for anyone working on health and fitness tech. It's rare to see such a well-structured domain-specific dataset on the trending page. This is a perfect foundation for your next side project or startup idea. Next up is Career Ops. This is an AI-powered job search system built specifically for Claude Code that automates the soul-crushing part of finding work. It features 14 different skill modes and a Go dashboard for tracking your applications. It's helping people fight back against AI filters used by recruiters. Why is it trending? Because it actually works. It can generate PDFs, process batch applications, and even help you prep for specific interview questions. The creator, Santifer, built it because he was tired of applying the hard way. Now it's a full-on open source movement for job seekers. If you are currently looking for a new role, you should probably stop what you're doing and check this out. It's a total game changer for careers. Now look at superpowers. This is a framework that changes how coding agents actually think and work through the software development lifecycle. With over 240,000 stars total, this project is becoming the backbone of agentic software development. It's actually impressive how it works. Instead of just writing code, it steps back and teases a spec out of you first. It forces the agent to follow a strict red-green TDD workflow. The wild part? It breaks the implementation plan into chunks that a human can actually read and sign off on before any code is written. It basically gives your AI agent the discipline of a senior engineer. This is how you stop LLMs from hallucinating themselves into a corner. Video use is one of the coolest things I've seen this month. It allows you to edit videos just by talking to Claude Code in your terminal. You drop raw footage in a folder, chat with the agent, and get a finished movie back. It's trending with nearly 700 stars today. The magic part? It automatically cuts out filler words like and It even handles color grading and burns and subtitles automatically. It can even generate animation overlays using libraries like Remotion or Manim in parallel. This is the future of content creation for developers. If you've been putting off making tutorials or demos because editing is a pain, this project just removed your last excuse. It's honestly incredible stuff. Finally, we have ECC. This is being called the operating system for agent harnesses. It's all about performance optimization for your AI tools. It focuses on skills, instincts, and memory for Claude Code and Cursor. It has exploded to over 220,000 total stars. Why does it matter? It provides a standardized way to give agents long-term memory and security protocols that actually stick across different sessions. The research-first approach means these aren't just hacks. They're deeply engineered systems for making agents more reliable in production environments. It's a foundational tool for anyone building serious applications on top of the latest LLM models. The multilingual support is also top-notch. That's everything for today. Huge shout-out to all the amazing contributors making these projects possible. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment, and I'll check it out. I'm Jason with Github Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.